Hey there. If sun rises over the wheat field and sunsets, such as this beautiful sunset over the Red River, are your kind of thing, stay tuned because we got the thing for you. Here we are at 3022 Provincial Road 200, just outside of St. Agath, Manitoba. We're 2 minutes to St. Agath. We're an 8-minute drive to Niverville and only a 20-minute drive to Winnipeg. Here, 5 acres. We've got 2 separate dwellings on the property, so it's very unique. Come have a look and see what you think. And here we are in the main house, just under 1,300 square foot bungalow, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. The basement's fully finished. It's a really cool, funky basement. The house is rock solid. Sure, could use some cosmetic updates, but it's been extremely well kept by the original owner. This place is definitely worth having a look at. And here we are inside the secondary dwelling on the property. This is about 1,000 square foot home. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It's got a full kitchen, beautiful river views. Let your imagination soar with this one. So if you can see yourself living on a 5-acre property on the river with sunsets like this every night, get in touch with me today and I'd be happy to show you this place.